Hello all. So today we learn about the static members and functions. Static data members. When we declare a member of a class as static, it means no matter how many objects of the class are created, there is only one copy of it. It is initialized before any object of the class is created. And it is visible only within the class, but its lifetime is the entire program. And they cannot be mutable. So this is the syntax to declare the variable as static. Static int a is equal to 5. So the static member functions, and they are the special functions to access static data members or static member functions. They are defined using the static keyword. The static member function, it shares a single copy of the member function to any number of class objects. It throws error when it tries to access non-static members. Okay, we'll learn this with an example. Okay, now we learn about the static member functions. Which include IO3, namespace C, and declaring class called box, inside which in public section declaring static variable count, and you cannot initialize the static variable here. We will see the initialization in the later part. Okay. And after this, I am writing a constructor where having a cout here and incrementing the count. And we'll write a member function, static member function. So this is used to access only the static data members. Okay. So here we are writing a cout statement, total objects, and we are printing the static variable here. Okay. Now, in the main function, I am okay. Now here in this part, we are going to initialize the static variable here. So this is going to be the syntax. Int box. This is the class name, and this is the variable name, and you are initializing it to 0 here. Okay. So inside the main function, we are creating two objects, and let me call the function here. Okay. So this is the static data member count, and this is the static member function which is used to access only the static variable. Okay, let us save the code now. Saving it as static.cpp. Okay. Now let me compile the code. G++ static.cpp. Okay. See, we declared two objects in the main function, box 1 and box 2. So the count got incremented 2 times. So the value for the count is 2. Okay. Hope you are all clear with the static data member and its static member function. So we hope I'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you.